Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Exp19, Excel chapter 11 HOE assessment, accountant. It's in its project description. You work for a tax accounting firm that has offices in San Diego, Dallas, Miami, and Albany. Previously, you downloaded data from the employee database. Now you will use text database and lookup function to obtain the result you want. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel download and open the file name Exp19 Excel chapter 11 HOE assessment accountant. I have already opened this file. Grader already added my first name to the last name to the first of the file name. So that's our first step. And if you need help in the online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in the Pearson course, Cengage course, Pearson Plus course, Canvas course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode of my WhatsApp so to get directly in my inbox. So we will move to our now second step. Your first step is to create a unique ID for each accountant using the year hired, date hired, and number. In cell D2, enter 2007 10 18 10. We will copy this and go to the cell D2, that is our cell D2, and paste the copied material, copied text. We have pasted this one. Use the flash fill to complete the pattern to create the remaining IDs in the range D3 to D26. So we will go to the flash fill. Here we will go to the flash fill, and we have got the our IDs by using flash fill. We have got our IDs. That's our second step. Our third step is the accountant full name are located in the column E. You want to separate the first and last name. Select the range E2 to E26. We will select the range E2 to E26, whereas that is E2 to E26. We have selected this one. What we need to do now? Convert text to column using the space as a delimiter. Change the E1 to the first name. So we will go to the first to the data. Here in this we will go to the text to the column, and using the choose the filter that type the best describe for delimiter, and what delimiter we need to use, space delimiter. We need to use the space delimiter and press next and then finish this one. So we have got our result in the E and F cell. And what he is saying, change the cell E1 to the first name. So we will go to the cell E1, that is our cell E1. We will rename this one as a first name. That's our third step. Our fourth step is, next you want to display the accountant name with the last name and the first name separated by the comma. In the cell G2, insert a text join function to join the last name and the first name for the first accountant using the comma and space as a delimiter. The name should display as Adams Klein Camille. So we will go to the cell G2. That is our cell G2. We will use as a text join function. We will start our bracket. We will use the delimiter as a comma and space delimiter. So we will use comma and space delimiter. And what we will use, we use the true, while we will, and text1 will be Adams Camille. So we will go to the Adams, that is our text1, and our text2 will be Camille, and we will close our bracket, and here we will use the delimiter as a comma. So we will put comma here, and press enter. So we have got our results. You see, we have got Adam Kumail. Here he also gave us Adam Kumail. Copy the function to the range G3 to G26. We will copy this one up to G26. So we have got our results. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is column J contains the phone number you want to extract the area codes. In the cell K2, use the mid function to extract the area code from the phone number. For the first employee, the start number argument should be the position of the first. So we will go to the cell K2 and use the mid function. Here we will use mid function. We will start our bracket. We will select the text. That is our text. We need a start number which should be starting from the 2, and what is the end number of character. We need number of character 3, and we need to close our brackets and start. So we have got the area code here. That's what he is saying in this whole paragraph. Make sure the position of a 3-digit area code. Copy the function to the range K3 to K26. We will copy this one to up to K26. You see, we have got our results. Area code 469. Here we have got 469. That's our fifth step. We will move to our sixth step. Our sixth step is location column displays the city name in the all capital letters. Because it's hard to read, you will use the text function to display the all cities in the upper and lower case. In the cell M2, use the proper function to display the first city name in the upper and lower case. So we will go to the cell M2. That is our cell M2. We will put here the proper function. That is our proper function, and we will select this one, the L2 as a. So we need it in the proper. So we will press enter. So we have got the our result in the upper and lower case. What he is saying, copy the function to the range M3 to M26. We need to copy this to up to M26, and you see we have got our results. That's our sixth step. We have total 19 steps of this assignment. I have performed 6 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. And if you need help in any academic course you want to deal for the complete course, you can contact me for a guaranteed marks. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.